Exodus 34, verse 40 in NLT.
You must worship no other gods, for the Lord, whose very name is jealous.
His name
igama lakhe
is jealous.
ungumona
He is not just a jealous God. His
asunkulunkulu nobona
name
nje kodwa
is
igama lakhe
jealous.
lingumona
Should igama lakho umona. Oh lolo. This will make people angry now. Igama lakaNkulunkulu lenye ujealous. Okay, repeat. Don't be offended, but let me say it. His name is jealous.
igama lakhe
It
ngumona
means even when you call it,
kusho ukuthi noma ulibiza
it's not separated from his jealous.
alihlukaniswanga
The
nomona
more you
wakhe
say in the name of Jesus,
uma uthi ngegama lika
his
Jesu
jealousy also steps in.
umona wakhe uyangenelela
You are praying, you are alone.
uyakhuleka wedwa
Bata, bata. It doesn't go without jealousy.
alihambi ngaphandle komona
The more you pray, the more you pray, the more you fast,
uzila
jealousy also comes in.
umona nawo
The
uyangena
more you read and meditate upon the word,
uzindla
the
ngezi
jealousy of God also
umona
steps
kaNkulunkulu
in.
uyangenelela nawo
To do what?
kwenzani na
To bring you to himself.
ukukuletha
Pushing
kuye
you by force.
ukufaka ngenkani
And if you are stubborn,
uma unenkani ke
he brings problems against you.
uletha izinkinga zizomelana nawe
If you are so comfortable
uma unethezekile
with where you are,
lapho khona khona
God's jealousy has got
umona
that
kaNkulunkulu
power
unalawo mandla
to make people
Kwenza
to
abantu.
rise against you.
ukuthi bamelane nawe
To make your
bakuvukele
own family,
ukuthi
your own
umndeni
mother,
wakho
your own
umama wakho
father
ubaba wakho
to disown you.
ukuthi akulahle
To disown you.
bakulahla.
Because God does not want
Ngoba
to
uNkulunkulu
have many owners.
akafuna abantu abazokuphatha babe baningi
His car must not have many previous owners.
imoto yakhe mayingabi nabantu ababayiphethe abaningi
It must be him who drives it from the beginning.
Fanele
So
kube nguye
I set
oyishayela
you
ekuqaleni.
apart before you were formed.
Ngaphambi
So
kokuba
I was
ubushe.
ready to drive you.
vele beniflukele ukuthi
Before you were
ngishayele
born.
ngaphambi kobusuku
My jealousy
Umona
began
wami.
before you entered your mother's womb.
waqala
My
ngaphambi
jealousy was already active.
umona vele wawusukhona
So bringing you to earth,
ukulethe
I
emhlabeni
brought you with jealousy.
akuletha ngomona
Ah man, I brought you with jealousy.
akuletha ngomona
So when I bring you because I'm jealous,
hey ngoba nginomona
I'll be able to love you correctly.
ngizokwazi ukuzokuthanda
I'll be able to love you correctly because I brought you with my
ngoba
jealousy.
ngikulethe ngomona wami
I brought you with my jealousy.
ngikulethe ngomona
So
wami
you are a product of God's jealousy.
manje ukuphumela
If
ngomona
I chose you,
kaNkulunkulu. Uma
I'm
ngikhethe,
jealous about you.
nginomona ngawe
No one must touch you.
Akekho
No
okuthinte.
one must be your owner.
angabikho umuntu okuphathayo
You are mine.
ukho wami
So that jealousy can make
Nomona.
people to disown.
angenza abantu ukuthi bakulahle
That jealousy can cause people to hate
angenza
you,
abantu ukuthi bakuzonde
to develop bad feelings towards you.
azizwe kabi ngawe
Yet it's God's jealousy
kanti-ke umona
pushing them
kaNkulunkulu
automatically to hate you.
bafuqa ukuthi bakuzonde
That's how the jealousy of God operates.
usebenza kanjalo-ke umona
It's
kaNkulunkulu
not a jealousy of a jealous
Umona-
boyfriend.
omona we-boyfriend hayi wesoka lakho cha
Your boyfriend can be jealous and abuse you.
isoka lakho lingaba
Your
nomona kodwa
boyfriend can be
lihlukumeze.
jealous
isoka lakho lingaba
and still
nomona
make you feel your pain.
likwenze uzwe ubuhlungu
But God's jealousy
kodwa umona kaNkulunkulu
is to set you apart.
ukuthi ahlukanise
So if I say I'm jealous
uma
about
ngithi
you
nginomona
and
ngawe
I fail to set you apart,
bese ngiyahluleka ukuhlukanisa
it's an evil jealousy.
hey umona
It's
obubi
emotions. It's
imizwelelo
emotions.
imizwelelo
Because I'm afraid
ngoba ngiyasaba
that somebody else will touch you.
ukuthi khona ongakuthinta
God's jealousy
umona kaNkulunkulu
knows how to set apart.
uyazi ukuhlukanisa
And the moment He sets you apart,
maqala kuhlukanisa
you are protected by that jealousy.
uyafikelwa ilomona
You are protected by the jealousy.
uyakuvikela
He
umona
may not be showing Himself to you.
angangazikhombisi kuwe
He's a spirit.
ukuthi umoya
But that spirit will make
Kodwa lo moya
decisions for you.
uzokuthathela izinqumo
That spirit will
Lo
begin
moya
to take decisions for you.
uzokuthathela izinqumo
You want to go left,
ufuna ukuya left
the jealousy says right.
umona uthi hayi
You want to backslide,
ufuna
the
ukuyela
jealousy says go on.
umona uthi qhubeka
The jealousy of God.
umona kaNkulunkulu
You are trying to be in the midst of crowds.
uyazama ufaka phakathi kwesixuku
The jealousy goes in and possesses
Umona
people
yakhe.
to gossip you, to hate you.
ubenze ukuthi
It's God's
bakuzonde
jealousy possessing
Umona
them to work
kaNkulunkulu.
against you.
ukuthi bavuke bamelane nawe Eish,
Now Jonah comes.
John uyeza
God says it sends him to Nineveh.
uyamthumela eNiniva
He goes to Tarshish.
yena
He
eTarashish
enters the boat.
ungena emkhunjini
Jealousy of God
Umona
enters the
kaNkulunkulu.
winds, enters.
Wangena.
It causes chaos.
wayenza
A lot of
ukuhlakazana
people nearly died
abantu abaningi bacishe bafa
because of someone who entered with
ngenxa
God's
yomuntu
jealousy.
owangena nomona kaNkulunkulu
Now people even lost their money,
abantu balahlekelwa zimali
their
zabo
treasures.
ingcebo
Who has
yabo
entered the boat?
ubani ongena
Even the
emkhunjini
winds
na?
can recognize
ni
God is
yabo.
jealous about
Uthi
you.
uNkulunkulu
You must go where He sends you,
Fanele uye
not
la
where you are going. Where are you going,
uyaphi
Jonah?
na Jona
Where are you going?
uyaphi
Have I not sent you?
azangithume
Have I not chosen you?
azangikhethe na
Where are you going?
uyaphi
My jealousy does not come without conquering your will.
awuthi ngaphandle kokuthi unqobe intando yakho
It conquers your will.
unqoba intando yakho
It finishes your desire.
qeda imfuno zakho
If I'm jealous, I desire you.
uma nginomona
And when I
ofuna wena,
desire you, I must
ufuna wena,
satisfy myself.
fanele ngizinelise ngawe
That's how God operates.
sebenza kanjalo kuNkulunkulu
And many are not aware.
abaningi abakwazi lokho
Sometimes you are in places
ngezinye inkathi kwezinye
and
indawo
people rise against you.
abantu bavukele
Those people, the
Labo
wind,
bantu.
the office,
Umoya.
everything, can look at you
Azokubheka.
and say, God is jealous about you. What are you
uNkulunkulu
doing
nobona
here?
ufunani lana
What are you doing here?
ufunani lana
You're going to make us to lose things.
ufuna ukuthi
What are you doing here?
ufunani lana
You can be in a wrong place.
ungaba sendaweni
But
engafanele
when people look at it,
kodwa abantu mabeyibheka
it's beautiful.
Yinhle.
But God says wrong address.
kodwa uNkulunkulu athi hayi
Wrong
ngele
address.
asilo
You
lekheli
can be with the person.
Ungaba
God
nomuntu.
saying wrong person.
uNkulunkulu uthi
The
asilo
spirit
umuntu umoya
choosing for you.
ukhethela
Choosing for you.
ukhethela
You are shocked. You are with them.
Man
All of a
can't
sudden
deny.
you are bored.
It's
You are
so
bored. You are
boring.
annoyed. The spirit stirring up,
umoya uyaphenduphenduka
making you not to enjoy.
ukwenza ukuthi ungakuthokozeli ukuba lapho
They call you. You get annoyed.
bakubiza uyanyanya nje
The jealousy
ngoba lo mona
is at work.
uyasebenza
The jealous of God is
umona
at work.
kaNkulunkulu usemsebenzini
Many people are not aware of that.
abaningi abakubonanga lokho
There's a
abakwazi
difference between a
kunomehluko
godly jealousy
kunomona kaNkulunkulu
and an
ongcwele
evil jealousy.
nomona obubi
Evil jealousy
umona obubi
has got envy. It's EE.
unenkanuko nokuhala
Evil, envy.
ububi bokuhala
Jealousy, it's
Umana
shady.
uNkulunkulu.
The desire. I'm jealous of you because I desire you.
ngoba ngifuna wena
Oh, if I envy you,
uma
it
ngihalela
means I'm envying
kusho
what
ukuthi
you have,
ngihalela
but
lo
not you.
nako kodwa ngifuna wena
So when I desire you,
mangifuna
I'm
wena
not saying I want what you have. I
angithi
want
ngifuna
you.
lo nako ngifuna wena uqobo lwakho
I desire you.
ngifuna wena uqobo lwakho
Envy,
uhalela
I saw you having something.
ngikubona unento ethile
Ngayikhalela, but angifuni wena. Have you seen yourself ukhalela ikari yomuntu mara ufuna umnikazi? God is not like that.
uNkulunkulu akasinjalo
God is
akasinjalo
ufuna wena. Not what you have, he
hayi
wants
lokho na
you.
ufuna wena uqobo
His
lwakho
jealousy bends
ubona
against
wakho
you.
uyashisakalela
Huge difference
kunomehluko omkhulu
when God desires a person.
uNkulunkulu afuna umuntu
The people here, you think you are disowned, you think you've been
cabanga ukuthi
disappointed.
ulahliwe
It's God
uphoxekile.
who caused it to happen.
uNkulunkulu okuvumele ukuthi kwenzeke
Because he wants you.
ngoba ufuna wena
Not what you went through.
hayi lokho
Not your challenges. He wants
wants
you.
ufuna
He
wena
wants the person who went through pain, not the
odlule
pain.
ebuhlungwini hayi ubuhlungu.
He's not looking for your pain.
Akafuni ubuhlungu
He's
bakho.
looking for a person who went through pain.
Ufuna umuntu odlule ebuhlungwini.
He's looking for what he desires
Ufuna lokathandayo
with his jealous love.
ngomona wakhe uthando.
He's not looking for the idols.
Akafuni isithixo
His name is jealous.
igama lakhe uNkulunkulu.
His name is jealous.
Igama lakhe umona.
Imagine you just pray. Nkosi unomona. Ngegama lika Jesu wena uNkulunkulu womona. Come on, how many can call him that way? Wena uNkulunkulu womona. Unomona ngami. Unomona ngami. Ah! Abantu banomona ngento zakho. But uNkulunkulu nomona ngawe. He's looking for you.
Ufuna wena.
He's not looking for your things.
Akafuni into zakho.